In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a slash in Excel effortlessly. Whether you're working with text for a clear organization or want to create specific formats, inserting a slash can be incredibly useful and surprisingly straightforward. We'll walk through two simple yet effective methods to achieve this, by directly typing or using a formula. Let's start with the most straightforward approach, simply typing a slash. Imagine you're entering data into a spreadsheet and you want a format like a date or a division, such as 1020 or AB. All you need to do is click into the cell where you want your text and type your numbers or letters, separated by a slash, just like you'd enter any other text. After typing the content, like 1020, just press Enter. The slash appears right there in the cell and you're done. It's as easy as that. Now let's explore a slightly more advanced technique that involves using a formula to insert slashes. This method is perfect if you need to dynamically adjust how your data is displayed, such as when you want to automatically place a slash between different parts of text or numbers. For instance, if you have the text Cat A in cell A1 and you want to insert a slash before the last letter, you can use a specific formula. Type in the formula equal trim left A1 L in A1 1 and write A1 1 into another cell. What this formula does is take all characters except for the last one, add a slash, and then append the very last character. As a result, you get Cat A displayed exactly as you wanted. If you're working with numbers and want those to be automatically formatted with slashes, Excel can handle that too. Let's say you have a series of numbers like 070123 representing a date. You can create a more readable format by placing slashes appropriately. To do this, enter the formula text A1 000 plus 00 plus 00 plus 0. This formula instructs Excel to format your number as a date, inserting slashes where required. To ensure it displays correctly, you'll need to format the cell where you have entered the formula to show a date. Simply right-click, select Format Cells, choose Date, and select the format MMDD/YY. This will transform your 6-digit number into a recognizable date format such as 070123. These methods should cover most needs for incorporating slashes into your Excel data, whether you're doing it manually or with the help of formulas. By using these techniques, you'll be enhancing the readability and organization of your data in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your work in Excel.